Soon, the United States will introduce a new 6th-generation fighter jet. It's expected to significantly enhance the country's military capabilities, surpassing the technologies of 5th-generation fighters such as the F22, F35, and others. In this video, we'll share what is known about this classified aircraft, whose cost is estimated to be in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Although it's shrouded in secrecy, some specifications have become known, and we're eager to share them with you. So sit back, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate your support and comments. Now let's get down to business. The U.S. Air Force plans to award a contract in 2024 for the design and production of a next-generation fighter jet under the classified program Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD for short. They've put together a proposal listing what they want this jet to do, calling it the world's first 6th-generation fighter. Big American defense companies like Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman will likely compete to build these high-tech planes. According to U.S. Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall, NGAD is a crucial part of the next-generation air dominance system. It's supposed to be a better fighter jet than the current ones like the F-22 with more advanced technology. The new planes will eventually replace the older ones. While information is highly classified to prevent China, Russia, and other potential adversaries from learning about the technologies and specifications of the new fighter, it is known that these new fighter jets are expected to be multi-role, capable of engaging in aerial combat, striking ground targets, and flying long distances with a significant payload of weaponry. As we know, Northrop Grumman recently showcased for the second time in 2 years a mysterious military jet in a video. This could be the 6th-generation fighter developed for the U.S. under the NGAD program. The secretive aircraft aligns with the NGAD concept, featuring long-range flight capabilities, low radar visibility, and the ability to carry a substantial amount of weaponry for engaging both air and ground targets. Judging from the footage, the aircraft is designed for single-pilot operation. All indications point to extensive research and development having been conducted for the creation of this aircraft. It's expected that after 2030, NGAD will replace the current fleet of F-22 fighters, performing a much wider range of combat missions. Furthermore, in early March 2023, U.S. Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall announced that by 2030, the United States Air Force plans to acquire 200 6th-generation fighters under the NGAD program and 1,000 collaborative combat aircraft unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Kendall noted that this is not an exact number, but an approximate figure determined within the framework of planning used to analyze the organizational structure. Well, let's wait for a breakthrough from American military developers. In the meantime, let's take a look at the planes the new fighter is supposed to outdo. Chengdu J20 China. The J20 Chengdu, also known as the Mighty Dragon, is China's first heavyweight fighter jet. It's claimed to meet the requirements for 5th-generation fighters. It can reach supersonic speeds without using afterburners, maneuver with high overloads, is equipped with advanced electronics, is stealthy and multifunctional, with short takeoff capability. Details about the characteristics of this new Chinese fighter are scarce, and almost nothing is known about its onboard equipment and design features. Experts have to assess the new machine using only a few photographs. The Chinese aircraft likely exceeds its American counterpart in weight by 30 to 40%, probably driven by Chinese designers' desire to achieve better range and combat payload capabilities. F22 Raptor, the U.S. Built using stealth technology, the F-22 Raptor has low radar visibility. This fighter can carry over a ton of useful payload, including a built-in 20mm M61A2 Vulcan cannon and missiles or bombs, depending on the mission. Powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines, it can achieve supersonic cruising speeds of 745 miles per hour and 1,740 miles per hour in afterburner mode. Advanced sensors in its electronic warfare defense system allow it to collect and analyze information from various ground radar stations. It's worth noting that, as of now, the F-22 Raptor is the world's only 5th-generation fighter in active service. Moreover, its use of stealth technology surpasses similar technologies in all other 5th-generation fighter jets. An interesting fact is that the F-22 is also the most expensive fighter jet in history. According to the U.S. Government Accountability Office, by the end of 2010, the total cost of one F-22, including development program expenses, reached $411,700,000. Many countries wanted to buy the F-22, but United States legislation prohibits the export of these aircraft. F-35 Lightning II, the U.S. F-35 Lightning II is a cutting-edge, low-observable fifth-generation fighter-bomber developed by the American firm Lockheed Martin Aeronautics Company. Although the F-35 was designed after its predecessor, the F-22, and many of the same technologies were utilized in its development, the aircraft didn't turn out as flawless. The challenge arose from the necessity of vertical takeoff and landing, which required the use of only one jet engine. Consequently, the cruising speed of the F-35 is just 528 miles per hour, making it subsonic. This is why many critics categorize this aircraft not as fifth, but as 4++ generation. However, considering that the aircraft can reach a speed of 1,180 miles per hour in afterburner mode, and all other characteristics meet the requirements of a state-of-the-art fighter, the F-35 is widely accepted as a fifth-generation fighter. A groundbreaking feature in the F-35, the first of its kind in fighters, is a specially designed display helmet that allows the pilot to see through the cockpit. Unlike the F-22, the F-35 is not exclusive to the United States. A standardized model of this fighter-bomber is supplied to NATO countries. This is because the program is funded not only by the US, but also by the UK, Italy, the Netherlands, Canada, Turkey, Australia, Norway, and Denmark. The unit cost of an F-35A is approximately $100 million. Su-57 Russia. The Su-57, also known as the T-50, is a Russian fifth-generation fighter equipped with a new avionics complex and state-of-the-art radar station. In comparison to fighters of previous generations, the T-50 possesses a range of unique features, combining the functions of a strike aircraft and a fighter. In the future, the T-50 is expected to replace the Russian Air Force's frontline MiG-29 fighter and the multi-role all-weather Su-27 fighter. The Su-57's glider was designed using stealth technology, a characteristic common to all fifth-generation fighters. However, military analyst Michael Kaufman, in an interview with Business Insider, expressed the opinion that while the Su-57 surpasses fourth-generation fighters in stealth, he doubts it matches the F-22 and F-35 in both stealth and cost. He referred to the Su-57 as a stealth plane for the poor, emphasizing that he doesn't consider the Su-57 a direct competitor to the F-22 or F-35. In late April 2018, India withdrew from a joint project with Russia that envisioned creating the first Indian fifth-generation fighter based on the Su-57. The Indian military believed that the Russian fighter under development did not meet the declared stealth requirements. Additionally, the Indian side considered that the combat avionics, radars, and sensors of Russian origin did not meet the standards of a fifth-generation fighter. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and write your favorite fighter in the comments. See you soon!